The Dayton Audio RSS315HO-44 Subwoofer delivers deep, controlled bass from a relatively compact 12-inch frame, making it ideal for serious home theater and music systems. Its dual 4-ohm voice coils give system designers flexible wiring options, whether you are building a single high-power subwoofer or a multi-driver array. A heavily vented motor structure keeps the voice coil cool and reduces air noise, so the driver can move a long distance quietly, even at demanding playback levels. The thick anodized aluminum cone and rigid surround work together to resist flexing, which helps maintain tight, accurate bass response at high excursion. A carefully engineered motor with multiple shorting rings keeps distortion impressively low, so bass notes sound clean rather than boomy or muddy. The multi-layer voice coil and robust construction allow this subwoofer to handle substantial amplifier power, giving enthusiasts plenty of headroom before reaching its limits.